when I was a nurse, and this was a long time ago, back in the 70s, as they pointed out early on, the scope of practice was fairly restricted. I think one thing that you all need to understand when it comes to nursing and the scope of nursing, when we talk about these advanced practice nurses, there is a huge, and there has always been, I graduated from undergraduate school in 1977 with my bachelor's in nursing. It was political then, and it's political now. So, although there is some reluctance on the part of hospitals, there may be reluctance on the part of hospitals to retain advanced practice nurses because of delegation issues. It's more of a political issue. The AMA has a very strong lobby. It's much stronger than the ANA. And so for that reason, you need to understand from an administrative standpoint, because I've been in-house counsel for hospitals, and the physicians have a very powerful lobby within an institution. And so you'll need to understand that there are these political issues that are taking place behind the scenes in the hospitals where you'll be working, on the administrative floors, not just on the clinical floors. So the scope of nursing has expanded since I graduated. I had at one point wanted to be a midwife, but when I figured out I couldn't work with doctors, I thought, okay, I need to switch professions here. But the advanced practice nurses like CRNAs, midwives, and just nurse practitioners, in some states, now, you know, I just came here from Colorado. I'm still licensed, I still practice out there. In those states, in Colorado, CRNAs, Certified Registered Nurse Anesthetists, as well as nurse practitioners can actually practice independently. They do not need to work within a hospital or within a physician's office. They have the ability to prescribe medicine. In fact, George came to me last week, or maybe it was you, Mike, that came and asked me whether a nurse practitioner in Colorado can prescribe narcotics. And I said, yeah, apparently they can't do that here in Florida. So the important thing for you all to remember is we live in a mobile society. You know, most of you may stay here in Florida, but you may not. And when you leave here, you need to be very sensitive to the difference in laws as it relates to individuals that may be employed within your institutions.